You can climb the hill. It's too big for a tiny train like you. Maybe you should just stay down here and come and play. Do you really want to try? Yes, I want to try. But I can't do it. It looks too hard. Don't worry, tiny train. You just have to believe in yourself. Keep trying and trying. I know you can. I will try my best. I'm going to climb that hill even if it's hard. I can't do it. I'm sliding down. This is too hard. Don't give up, tiny train. I know you can do it. You just have to keep going. But I'm getting so tired. You got this. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I did it. I made it to the top of the hill. I really can do anything. I keep trying. Wow, tiny train, you really showed us you were right. Never give up. Perseverance means trying again and again. Even when something is hard, I didn't give up and look how far I've come. That's right, tiny train. And think, Geeta, keep going and you'll always reach your goal. Now I know, never give up even if it's hard. If I can do it, so can you. So what's the next? We can all climb together. You can do it, we can do it, we can do it too. Life will take a step and we will say it through. Keep on trying, don't give up and you will see the perseverance you can do what you want to do.
Keep your dreams alive and bright. You'll get there with all your might. Oh, don't give up, keep reaching high. Spread your wings and start to fly. With each try, you're growing strong. Success will come, it won't be long. Stumble every fall helps you rise and stand tall. Remember, try.